Hello and welcome to Positively Angela. At this channel, we learn the 7 Hermetic principles. What are they, you ask? They're the principles that govern all creation. I encourage you to join this channel and let's learn them together. Mentalism, correspondence, vibration, polarity, rhythm, causation, gender. Those are the 7 principles. But how does one apply them to your life? Well, you apply them by memorizing them first. And then you recognize them everywhere. But most importantly, you align yourself with them so that you can effectively and efficiently create your desired reality. No more running around trying to figure out a secret sauce to get more money into your bank account. Here we learn how to call those things that are not as though they were, and they become. But you see, that level of confidence comes when you understand the essence that runs underneath all of creation. It is not something to do. It is a way to be. It is simply a way of being. And so I look forward to connecting with each and every one of you and growing and learning and understanding more and more about this beautiful thing that we've been given, this beautiful thing called life. And we will create our desired reality. I look forward to it all. Much love.